Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Arrays are a fundamental data structure in Python and many other programming languages. In Python, arrays are implemented using lists, which are versatile and widely used for storing and manipulating collections of elements. This tutorial will provide you with a comprehensive overview of arrays in Python, along with code examples to help you understand their usage. An array is a data structure that stores a collection of elements, where each element is identified by an index or a key. In Python, lists are used as arrays, providing a flexible and dynamic way to handle collections of items. You can create an array in Python using square brackets to define a list of elements. Here's a simple example. Elements in an array can be accessed using their index. In Python, indexing starts from 0. Here's an example. You can modify elements in an array by assigning a new value to a specific index. Python provides various methods to add and remove elements from an array. Here are a few examples. You can extract a portion of an array using slicing. Arrays can be concatenated using the plus operator. Arrays, implemented as lists in Python, are powerful data structures that enable efficient manipulation and storage of collections of elements. Understanding how to create, access, modify, and manipulate arrays is essential for any Python programmer. Practice with these examples to reinforce your understanding and explore more advanced array operations as you progress in your Python journey. ChatGPT